Pops channel, where I bring to you everything about photography, from equipment to technology to processes and procedures. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. I got myself one of these, the Mavic Air 2. And I was in kind of like two minds about whether to get the Pro or the 2. And quite honestly, I'm new to drone photography, so I just thought, well, let me start with the 2 first, and then proceed from there. So I got this from the very good guys at B&H Photo Videos, and well, let's just dig in and see what's inside it, shall we? With my trusty old unboxing blade here. Where do we start from? I guess I'll just get into this from anywhere. There's a little plastic in here. Okay, there it is. Get this upper plastic wrap off first, and then we'll get into the specs of this in a little while. This is a Mavic Air 2, the Fly Mode combo. That's right, the Fly Mode combo gives you some additional batteries and a whole bunch of other stuff. Let's put this away for a minute. And the first thing you see is this very beautiful, really beautiful handy pouch. Everything comes in it. So put the cartons aside for a minute, and then we can get into this. This opens up this way, and there she is. There's a side. That's the drone itself, set that aside. Battery chargers, the controller, and then we can put the pouch to aside, and then let's get into this. Safety first, always put the knife away. Straight out of the box, we got an accessories box here that has battery. The second battery is the Fly Mode combo. Charging cable, I believe this is the charging cable, and the power block right there. This out of the way. This is your controller, I'm guessing. This is the controller, the DJI controller. It's quite light actually, and nice. I don't know what this is. Let's just pop this open, shall we? Oh, okay, this is like a rack for charging batteries. Okay, there are 3 batteries in all actually. One is already mounted on the gimbal itself, and then you have 2 extra batteries, and this is just kind of like an adapter to charge all 3 of them. Now let's look at specs, shall we? Now the Mavic Air, DJI Mavic Air 2, I'm more interested in its, what am I looking for? Yes, the camera. It's a 1-inch CMOS sensor, it's 20 megapixels, actually 22mm focal length, an 88-degree field of view, and the aperture is an unbelievable f2.8, so you can really get good shots with this camera. ISO performance is great. For photos you can go up to 12,800 if you're in manual. Video formats, this can do, what's that, 24, 25 and 30 frames per second. And the codec is 8264, that's right. You can do JPEG, You can shoot raw. And for those of you who know the value of shooting raw, I think that's just what you want. That's just something you need. Now, in the subsequent video, we'll be diving deeper into this, but this is basically an unboxing. Take a closer look at the specifications. We'll see what this thing can do, and we'll take it out in the field and throw everything that we have at it. But in the meantime, this is what comes out of the box. This is the Fly More package. You got extra batteries and the third battery in here. So each of these batteries can do anywhere between 20 to 20 minutes. So you have almost an hour of flight time with you. Until the very next time, this is Big Sam signing off for today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this video, give us a thumbs up, and let me know what your own experience is with your own flying systems, and then I'll be glad to share them with you. Thank you for being here with me today. I'll see you again very soon.